Hi everyone, my name is Christy, and in this video I'm trying out the Beauty for Certain matte liquid lipstick that I got in the shade number 21. So this is a very intriguing lip product to me because it claims to be the type of product that you do not have to reapply. It's supposed to last all day long, and that is exactly what I look for in my liquid lipsticks. I want mine to have no transfer. I want it to not budge. I want to just be able to apply it and then forget about it. So this sounds like the perfect product for that. And it does come in a bunch of different shades. Like I said, I have the shade number 21, which I'm very interested to see how this is going to look on me because it looks like it might be a little light. Let's go ahead and swatch it first. Ooh, wow. Yeah, that is very beautifully pigmented. It looks very similar to my natural lip color. Let's see how it's going to look on me because I haven't had the best luck with lighter pink type of lip products. I just find that they do not look flattering on me. So I hope that this will look okay. Wow, the pigment is very impressive on this because as I'm applying it, it is a little lighter than my natural lip color, but it's so opaque and pigmented that you can't even see my natural lip color peeking through, and I feel like that's usually the case with a lighter color. And this little doe foot applicator is very easy to use, it's easy to get precise. But okay. Oh, yeah. I don't love this on me. It's just, I don't know, maybe I'm just not used to it. I need to get more used to seeing myself in a lighter lip color because to me, like, it looks like a nice color. Just I feel like for me, it's not the most flattering. But okay, aside from the color, I already mentioned that the pigment is really nice and it's already drying down. And it's smooth, it's not too drying, it's not really emphasizing the lines in my lips very much. It definitely has a little bit of that matte liquid lip feel to it, but not in an uncomfortable way. Let's see if there's any transfer. Yes, no transfer at all. That's exactly what I was hoping for. It really is the type of formula that's not gonna budge. So I really do like this for a matte liquid lipstick because it's comfortable, pigmented, not gonna budge, just all of those qualities that I look for in my liquid lip. I just need to decide if this is a color that I feel comfortable enough to wear. And the thing is, I could put a lip topper, I could mix it in with other colors, I could use a darker lip liner with this to play around with it. So I think it is already starting to grow on me. And if I play around with other products like I was just mentioning, I feel like I could find a really great lip combo with this that I would feel very comfortable in and that would actually stay in place all day long. So if you have any ideas, please let me know in the comments down below. If you've tried out the Beauty for Certain liquid lipstick, let me know what you think of it. If you've tried any of the other colors, let me know how those are. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.